Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to activate Siri on your iPhone SE 3rd generation iPhone. Siri is your very own personal assistant for your iPhone. It can make calls, answer calls, send messages, and do many different tasks on your iPhone. There are two different ways you can activate Siri on your iPhone SE 3rd generation phone. The first and the most obvious way is to say, "Hey Siri." You should see a round animation at the bottom center of the screen. Once you see that, you can go ahead and make a request. Now, the second way of activating Siri is by pressing and holding down the home button. Once you do that, your iPhone will vibrate and then Siri will appear at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on the round animation and then using your voice, make a request. Now, for some reason, if you're trying both of these options and Siri is not responding to any of your calls or requests, then you need to activate these features in settings first. You can do this by going to settings, scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Then make sure to enable listen to Hey Siri and make sure you enable press home for Siri. When you enable listen to Hey Siri, the iPhone will take you through the wizard to enable Hey Siri. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll activate Siri for your iPhone. And that is how to activate Siri on your iPhone SE 3rd generation iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.